Welcome back to the channel, where we embrace effortless elegance and timeless fashion. If you're new here, I'm Cynthia, and this is your go-to space for all things chic, sophisticated, and stylishly put together. Today, we're diving into 17 stunning smart casual outfits that are perfect for elevating your wardrobe in 2025. Whether you're heading to a brunch, a business meeting, or a casual evening out, these looks will keep you effortlessly refined and on trend. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's explore these elegant and polished looks together. A tailored blazer over a fitted cashmere turtleneck and sleek wide-leg trousers. Talk about timeless sophistication. Paired with nude mules, gold hoops, and a caramel mini handbag, this look is perfect for that luxe coffee run. Because let's be real, even a simple oat milk latte deserves an elegant outfit. This look is all about soft neutrals and effortless grace. A dreamy cream cashmere sweater half-tucked into white relaxed trousers. The pearl drop earrings and gold bracelet add the perfect refined touch. And let's not forget those nude slingbacks, so comfortable yet so elevated. This is the ultimate clean girl aesthetic for brunch with the girls. A navy and white striped cashmere sweater tucked into high-waisted beige trousers? Yes, please. The gold bangle and structured taupe handbag make this look timelessly chic, perfect for getting lost in a good book at your favorite cozy bookstore. Nothing says power and poise like a powder blue suit. With silver drop earrings, a structured white handbag, and a fresh, dewy glow, this outfit commands attention. In the most elegant way, of course. Ideal for business meetings or simply looking like the CEO of your life. Effortless old money energy in an off-white oversized blazer and matching tailored trousers. The gold cuff bracelet and sleek straight bob complete the minimalist chic vibe. It's giving class, confidence, and quiet luxury all in one. An oversized baby blue button-up tucked into high-waisted ivory-tailored shorts, so fresh, so effortlessly put together. The quilted white mini bag and strappy kitten heels elevate this breezy, sophisticated look. Ideal for a relaxed yet stylish day out. Classic French elegance with a twist. A striped navy and white knit sweater tucked into black cigarette pants, paired with black ballet flats and pearl studs. Because who doesn't love a little Parisian charm? Très chic. A tailored beige trench coat over a white fitted turtleneck and dark wash straight leg jeans. So timeless, so refined. Add in brown leather knee-high boots and a structured tote, and you're the epitome of autumnal elegance. Edgy yet refined. A black faux leather oversized blazer layered over a ribbed beige mini dress, styled with gold chunky hoops and pointed toe stiletto boots. Because elegance can have a little attitude too. An oversized charcoal blazer over a white cropped tee with light wash jeans. Effortlessly stylish. Paired with black slingback heels and a quilted crossbody bag, this is the perfect off-duty but make it elegant vibe. A dusty rose silk slip skirt paired with a cropped white cashmere sweater. Pure romance. The pearl drop earrings and mini blush handbag tie everything together, creating a look that's as soft as it is sophisticated. Who says workwear has to be stiff? A slouchy greige knit sweater with ivory tailored trousers is the definition of quiet luxury. The chunky gold hoops and suede pointed toe flats make this look effortlessly polished. A gray wool coat over a white button-down and gray tailored trousers. Clean, structured, and oh so chic. The silver hoops and white pointed toe boots add just the right amount of modern edge. Elevated airport style? Yes, please! A beige cropped sweatshirt with matching joggers under a cream trench coat, casual yet completely polished. The chunky sneakers and quilted crossbody bag scream sporty but make it luxury. A black cropped hoodie layered over a white oversized button-up, styled with black tailored joggers and chunky sneakers. Hailey Bieber would approve. Power dressing at its finest. A fitted black blazer over a black bodysuit with tailored trousers is the statement look. Gold accessories and black-heeled mules, a match made in luxury heaven. For those soft, cozy yet polished moments, a beige ribbed knit maxi dress with a cropped cream cardigan and pearl drop earrings. Subtle, refined, and perfect for those quiet, elegant coffee shop days. And there you have it, loves. 17 elegant and refined smart casual looks that prove style and sophistication never go out of fashion. Which look was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more elegant fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, stay elegant, and always dress like the best version of you.